Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into one of Syllaby's coolest tools, the Consistent Character feature. If you've ever struggled to keep your AI-generated characters looking the same across different videos or images, this is going to be a game changer. So let's first talk about what Syllaby is. It's an AI-powered content creation platform that helps you brainstorm, script, plan, and even generate videos all in one place. Whether you're a business owner trying to build your brand or a content creator aiming to post consistently without burning out, Syllaby is like having your own personal creative team on demand. The real power of Syllaby is how it takes the guesswork out of content production. It gives you ready-to-use, polished scripts, and now, with the Consistent Character feature, visuals that stay perfectly on brand across every piece of content that you make. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how the Consistent Character feature works, how to set it up, and how to get amazing results every time you use it. So let's jump in and start creating characters that never lose their style. All right, let's move right over here on the left side where it says Character Consistency. Now, I have already uploaded my character, which is me. With the model of hyperrealism, but we're going to create another character. So on the right side, you want to create your character, right? Click this. And you really have to choose your model first or your style. So consider what you want to do. Consider what your objective is here. If you want to create a cartoon character, or if you want to create a hyperreal character, or if you want to do a vlog type of style, action movie. So check these styles out on the left. So ancient fairy tale, animated cartoon, animated fantasy, old camera, black and white. There are a bunch of choices here. Cinematic realism, comic book, retro illustration, kind of cool, crime movie, cyberpunk, dark fantasy. So let's keep going. You can see these as I'm scrolling through. This is the one that I used with my previous character, hyperrealism, ancient Egypt, and biblical history, pencil drawing, Viking. We're almost done. And claymation, and dreamscape. I already created a hyper real character. And I'm going to create a dreamscape character of me. All right, so I chose dreamscape. Now I'm going to go to browse files. And I'm going to choose me. I think that's fine. Okay. And then I'll call him Jasper. All right. So looks like we're good. Uploaded image. We named our character. And right here it says generate character. So let's do it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we created our character. Looks good. Looks good. I could regenerate if I want to. And we're not going to regenerate if I don't like it. But I like it. It's fine. That works. And now I need to train it, okay? So I chose the image. I liked the image that it generated or the character that it generated. Now I have to go ahead and I need to train this so I can create this character in different scenarios, different scenes, different backgrounds, things like that. So let's go ahead. This is going to cost me 50 credits, which is fine. And let's go ahead and do that. Okay, here we are. And we just created Jasper in a dreamscape style. Let's use that. And it's going to bring us to the video generation section. And there are 5 elements to this. You need to choose your style, which is one of these down here. Okay. The second one is set publish schedule. And setting a schedule is completely optional. Number 3 is customizing video options. Number 4 is where you would input your script or use AI, which makes it super convenient and simple. And number 5 is you're going to adjust advanced options. So let's go down to choose a style. And if you look down here, it says character consistency is not available for the selected image style, which means this particular style does not accommodate character consistency. So we have to find one that does. Selfie does. However, if you notice down here, you might be confused because, wait, you don't see Jasper. Jasper's not here. Well, Jasper's not here because you did not choose Selfie to create your character. We chose Dreamscape. So we have to come over to Dreamscape. Let me show you a few more of these. This one does not accommodate. This one does not work. Also, this one doesn't work. Okay, action movie works. And as you can see or not see, Jasper's not here either. And by the way, you can use any of these characters. You do not have to use your own created character. Okay, so let's come on over to, we're going to go to the end, Dreamscape, which was, I believe, the last or the final style. So we're going to go to Dreamscape, and I don't see my character here. Oh, there he is. There's Jasper. So we're going to select Jasper. Fantastic. And then schedule and publish. I love this option. I love being able to schedule my posts. And we're going to come down here to video options. And subtitles you have. Oh, let's go over here. Storage folder. I don't store these in any particular folder. Just going to go in my home folder. And then the subtitle, you have different options, and I like to use Whimsy. And our aspect ratio, I'm going to be creating shorts, so I do not want landscape. I want to click portrait. So if you're going to create a short, make sure it's on portrait, which is a 9:16. And what's awesome is you can create your videos in many different languages. So well done, Syllabi or Syllaby. But we're going to go English. And then I have already voice cloned myself on this, which that is a whole other video. So, but I'm going to choose myself. And video length. Another thing I love about Syllaby is that you can create long form videos. You can go 1 to 3 minutes, 3 to 5, and 5 to 10 minutes long. It's fantastic. All right, so it readjusted the aspect ratio on the right side. I don't like that the captions are in the middle of the video. I want to move them down, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute. So let's go to write script. Okay. So video title. Well, what is my script about? We're going to go to AI Script Assistant. And by the way, you can create videos from URLs too. So if you have a specific website that you want to use as the foundation to your video, you would just type in the URL. Audio to video, so cool. Okay, Script Assistant. And you can choose any of these up here, or just enter a title, and you can do a custom topic right here, and you would just type it down there. But I'm going to choose just a script. We're going to go invention facts. Okay. And let's come down here. Advanced options. Remember I told you before that I wanted to change the position of the caption or the subtitle. Well, I'm going to do that right here. Subtitle position. I want it to go on the bottom. See? I can change the color. So I'm going to go yellow. Music. No, I'm not really a huge fan of the music in Syllaby. I'm not really a fan of any of these AI-generated songs. However, I use a software called Suno AI, and I have a bunch of tutorials on how to create your own AI music using Suno. And what I would do is I would export this video, bring it into like CapCut, or, well, CapCut is the one I use now. I used to use Final Cut Pro. And then I will add my music from Suno AI. Again, you can just try to find my demos, tutorials on Suno AI in my channel. Oh, and if you haven't done so, please like and subscribe to my channel, because my whole point, my whole objective with my channel is to find free or highly discounted AI generation software. Because my goodness, it's so expensive to do what we do. But we are going to, for the sake of this video, we are going to choose music from Syllaby. I like that. That's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. All right. You can upload your own watermark to your video if you have one. And looks like we're done, everyone. Looks like we have everything ready to go. Oh, we're missing something. The generate video is grayed out. So let's go back to script. Oh, okay. We need to write our script. Okay, so invention facts. Let's generate the script. So let me just add a little disclaimer. Using my character in this particular type of script or this prompt, it's not going to be great. It's not like a story that I'm telling. I think if I were to use it in a storytelling capacity, I think it would come out better. But let's see how this comes out with my character. And let's see how Syllaby chooses to use my character throughout this prompt. All right, here we go. We're going to generate the video. Alrighty, the video finished, and here we are. And let's just play it. We're not going to make any edits yet. Let's just play it.
Throughout history, invention has been the driving force propelling human progress. From the wheel, conceived over 5,000 years ago, to the smartphone in our pockets today, each invention marks a leap in human ingenuity. Did you know that Thomas Edison held over 1,000 patents? Yet his most famous invention, the light bulb, was actually improved upon from earlier iterations by others. Meanwhile, Alexander Graham Bell, often credited with inventing the telephone, was initially inspired by his work with the hearing impaired. These shining examples emphasize that invention is often a collaborative endeavor. As technology advances, the pace of invention accelerates, making our world ever more interconnected. Inventions aren't just about novelty, they're the blueprints for our future, lighting the path for generations to come.
So if you see here, you can see all the media, right? And if I don't like one of these, I can go ahead and edit each individual one. I can add additional motion, which would add credits, right? You need to spend 10 credits to add motion to these. You can edit the image. You can upload your own media. You can regenerate. You can add stock photos. So there are a lot of ways that you can modify these videos if you're not happy with them, or if you like it and you're ready to download it. On the bottom right, just press download. And there we go. So listen, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe. It definitely, like I said before, gets the word out about finding free or highly discounted AI generation software. And I hope to see you all on the next video. Take care.